Turkey versus Italy as Big Hass takes on Joseph Denison Carey in a battle to see who can put their spin on Toad in the Hole.
I'm Kola Bokinni, she is Yinka Bokinni, and this is Spin the Dish.
Who are ya?
I'm Hass from North London.
Hello. What sort of cuisine do you usually make?
I try not to pigeonhole myself, but Italian trained, half Turkish blood. I'm just gonna make doner kebab inside a Yorkshire pudding, basically. And what I'm hoping for, it might look terrible, but I'm hoping that once it goes in your mouth, it's all good.
Party in the hole.
Exactly.
Hello, mate.
You right, mate? That's it. You okay?
Who are you?
I'm Joseph. I trained in Italy, and that is where I'm going to be drawing inspiration from today. We're taking all of the ingredients from an Italian pasta dish called orecchiette.
Okay.
So sausage, obviously, broccoli, garlic, all these lovely things, black pepper, and we're going to chuck them in this pan, and we're going to bake it into a Yorkshire pudding, and that's my take.
Elephant or Toad in the room? You're both from North London. Are you friends? Do you know each other?
We know each other.
We know each other.
Yeah.
You know, you guys against each other, so is there gonna be some friendly fire over here?
I'm kind of scared, bro. He's a good guy. I'm just bringing my best, you know what I mean? I don't know about...
Stir in the pot, mate. Stir in the pot.
I'm just trying to be a good guy.
Guys, this is a competition, not a loving. I want to see some duking, and it's time to cook, so let's start.
Let's spin that dish.
I'm gonna start with my batter.
Okay.
But I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna give you a little peek behind the curtain into kitchens. This one's called sabotage. Watch this. Watch. You just take that, yeah, and you don't tell him. You don't tell him. So later on, he's gonna be thinking, "Where's all my stuff? Where's my stuff?" But it's not my problem.
He's just gonna be like, where is it?
It's
Where's
not my
stuff?
problem. And that's the impressive spirally sausage that's gonna be going in.
The fennel sausage.
This is the fennel sausage. So I'm gonna take this.
Yeah.
And this literally,
So dash it in there.
we're just gonna let that get some nice colour.
Why fennel sausage? What's so special about that?
Honestly, it's just the flavours. Like I was saying before, fennel and pork, just like a really classic combination.
What makes a dish Italian?
The diversity of food
Yeah.
between one region to the next, even if they're right next to each other, is like so vast. And so there's no such thing as like an Italian dish.
To me, an Italian dish is pasta.
Sure.
Spaghetti bolognese. Carbonara.
Well, spaghetti bolognese is an interesting one because that's like what we're used to over here.
Yeah.
Isn't the same. It's like a ragu. A bolognese ragu is the basis, right?
Wait, you don't put ketchup in it?
Huh? What? Listen, I'm here representing Italian people, so I have to take offence to that. You got the chili, you got the black pepper. I love it, like cooking with black pepper. The smell of it, all of that fennel inside that sausage as well. Lovely, beautiful.
You can't smell this, but it smells incredible.
What's happening?
So I've got lamb mince, beef mince, onions, seasoning, salt, pepper. We're gonna wazz it. I'm looking for like sausage, basically. I want smooth.
Like a pate?
Yeah, like emulsified. So like it's uniform.
Is Turkish cooking about getting stuck in, getting your hands dirty?
I think all cooking's about getting your hands dirty, to be honest. I feel like food's a language more than it is an ethnic thing. Do you know what I mean? So no matter where you go, food's always done the same, but there's little things that make people different. So we've got some meat down.
Yes,
I've
what are we
greased the
doing
paper.
here?
I'm gonna grease this top side, stick this down, flatten it a little.
Yeah.
And then all I really want you to do, babes, is roll it to get it to fit into this.
Okay,
So
yeah.
feel free to roll it and turn it, but that's the guide to the shape we're looking
This
for.
is oddly satisfying. You know, Hass, when it comes to Turkish cooking, are there any particular ingredients that make it so, or is it about process?
In the south that borders like Syria and the Kurdish regions, it becomes more spicy because it's where the Aleppo, where pul biber is made. Next door is like pistachio country, so there's pistachio in the kebabs. As you travel, the food travels with you almost.
Yeah.
Yours is a lot flatter than mine, but what we're gonna do, little envelope thing, man. Just roll it on itself, like so.
I'm loving the confidence you have in me because you're not even looking at me.
Doesn't matter, man.
You're like, just give it a whack.
As chefs, we work alongside each other all times.
Yes,
man.
we
You know what I
do,
mean?
as
So-
chefs.
We're gonna get that oil nice and hot. See that?
Oh, yeah.
And so now, oven's hot. We're gonna go in with our batter, which is here. We've let it rest.
Okay, here we go.
Let's go.
Boom! Yeah. That's how you get that Italian Yorkshire going on.
Right. And hopefully, fingers crossed, that's gonna come out as a nice toad in the hole.
That is gonna be, the smells, that is gonna be delicious.
So, Yinks, I've got these two very hot trays, right? 250 degree. I want you to pour to like halfway to there. There you go. In they go, 250 for 10, and then we're gonna drop. They're a 30-minute cook.
Do you know what? It's too late to say I don't know what fennel is. Is it too late? I have no idea.
Instead of going in with straight tomatoes, I'm just gonna take a tomato and just grate it in.
You're grating it?
Yeah, man, just straight in. I don't want the skin, I just want the juice and the flavour.
Yeah.
And look, we've got tomato
Oh
in
my
there.
God, that's really good.
Hey, Joe, are you making a sauce?
See, you're making a sauce. I can see that you're doing something over there, and now I'm thinking that I should be making a sauce, and now I'm stressed.
What are you gonna go with?
Well, I'm thinking because of the type of pasta it is, maybe I should do like a sort of carbonara type of situation, but how am I gonna do that without the pasta? I don't really know. Bro, this is the first time I made this. So I've pulled together some stuff. I've got an egg, I've got some Parmesan, some salt and black pepper, and we're just gonna go in here. That can go in, a little bit of this can go in, and then I've got some water that's basically like hot, but not too hot. I mean, look, we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna just go, oh, that was too much, that was too much, that was too much.
Damn it, no!
But what we can do is, we can actually thicken this, maybe over like some boiling water or something.
We made doner, my friend. You see this? From mincemeat to season to roll, 15 minutes, man. You made doner meat at home. Welcome to Yorkshire as well, guys.
Time to stop.
Let's spin that dish. Has what you got for us, darling?
So I have Yorkshire pudding Iskender. I've gone quite traditional on the doner flavour. I wanted it to be quite meaty. The parsley and the onions is to give you like fresh, clean, alongside the yogurt, and the brown butter is just like fat, but good fat, and it just brings everything together. And as a mouthful, it should be chewy, crunchy, acidic, sweet, unctuous, and like a hug from the inside as well.
And a partay.
In your hole.
Joseph.
Yes.
Present your dish.
Right, what I've done is I've taken the spare tyre out my mum's boot and I've just popped it onto a plate. This is the fennel sausage we were talking about, the broccoli, chili, garlic, and all of that is enveloped by this Yorkshire pudding.
Yes.
I'm gonna say something, it is not as beautiful as that, but we're hoping that inside we've got some serious stuff going on.
It's a sleeper.
Nah, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, Turkish versus Italian. Your spin on Toad in the Hole.
It's time to taste, so do one.
Should we start in Turkey?
We should start in Turkey.
I would not recommend eating this on any sort of date that you want to go on.
Let's get messy.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
I can taste everything in that.
I can taste everything.
You can taste, the yogurt with the tomato sauce, and then the kebab meat is just seasoned. Don't you think it's so mad how this was mincemeat?
Yeah.
You can do that at home.
This is the best toad and hole I've ever eaten. This is the best kebab I've ever eaten.
Yeah, this is one of the best things I've ever eaten.
This one here is from a different planet.
This is more traditionally Toad in the Hole because, of course, it's got the sausage in, and he poured the batter over it in the pan. Let's go. The pastry is just the canvas that holds the sausage and you can really taste the broccoli and the garlic. And then that carbonara sauce on the top with the Parmesan.
Yeah.
And it's spicy. They're so different.
So different, but like equally as good. It's a tough one, but unfortunately we're gonna have to make a decision.
Fortunate for someone. Welcome back. How did it go for you, Haz, in the kitchen? Of course, we've demolished your mountain.
I've never made a doner before. Second time making a Yorkshire pudding, and I quite like putting things in different vessels and having them taste the same.
How did you find it?
Yeah, it was fun. I always like cooking new stuff. It's like a cool idea that I've not done before. So it was just like, you're just on the journey, it's like you were saying. I'm the sausage enveloped by the hole, bro.
Is that the way you want to put it?
I'm the toad enveloped by the hole. Or I'm the sausage enveloped by the batter.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Either one of those, but not the first one.
Yeah, we can say that you haven't made it easy for us. We do have to come to a decision.
Yes, we do.
And
3, 2, 1.
it's a tie.
Hey, yo, I'll take that,
It's a tie.
They dragged us all the way from North London. All the way from North London to here.
No
to
way.
get a tie.
No, it is.
It's not a stalemate because they were both 10 out of 10.
No, I hear it,
Do you know
I
what
hear
that? As in, it was so hard because this is so impressive. And it's big and it's bold and it's punchy, but then this just came.
That was a sleeper as well.
Yeah! This has never happened. We've never had a town spin the dish. Usually, we've got discernment. We're here, we're big, we're bold. We're like, listen, loser, listen, winner. But no, today, you both won. Thanks for watching Spin the Dish. Which one did you prefer? Italian in the hole or Turkish in the hole? We couldn't decide.
For more Spin the Dish, like, comment, subscribe to Good Food. See you later.